I don't think winning motivates us as much as integrity does. Rather, I guess I should say that, let me rephrase that. Excellence through integrity, right? I think we all enjoy showing up at the field, focusing on our improvement, giving our best for each other, getting our best out of each other, and just enjoying the ride. I think we're looking for that player that all teams need. A guy who's driven, a strong work ethic, he's hungry. But, the guy's alive. He has to be smart, too. A guy who understands it's about the team. It's always about the team. He's got to be determined and truly contribute. That's how and why we play this game. We play for each other and those who support us. He has to be one of us.
Okay, we appreciate all y'all coming out to try out for our pro squad, maybe our practice squad. So we're gonna see what happens here.
Practice makes wrong. Practice makes progress. Right? We want to set a goal. This team is about goals. Playing at this level is not about having that stupid word in front of your name. Professional. What it is about giving your best every moment, whether in or off the net. All right. That's all I wanted to say. Kind of set that expectation. So.
Okay, we're gonna start off the day.
we're coming off a pretty successful rookie season. We're looking to carry that momentum into 2023. So we're out here looking for some new talent, increase that depth, and replacing Aaron Smith on the snake side, looking for some ones. Long story short, I think we've got some opportunity on this tryout, so it's looking good.
We lost Aaron Smith on the offseason, and what we're really trying to look for right here is someone who can fill that role of a front snake attacker. And fortunately, today, I think we might have found a couple guys that could definitely step into that role. So day one's over, and ready for day two to come out here to see what they got, but ultimately, we're happy with the tryout.
We're going to do a little bit of a, we still got some food up there and everything. We're going to hang out for a little bit. If you want to hang out for the next hour or more, we're going to eat some food, just kind of hang out, talk, socialize. Some of y'all will probably go around and talk to a lot of y'all. Yeah, for sure.
Don't let that stuff get in your head. You had a bad day, you got another day tomorrow, right? So show me. As far as I'm concerned, don't tell me, show me, okay?
I can't touch on anything. They pretty much said it all. I'm glad to see this many people out here and this much talent show up. We have daylight. Y'all got a taste of how this field plays with a team element. Highly recommend walking through the field a lot.
Excellent.
Take advantage while you can, because tomorrow should be better than what it was today.
I think a lot more teams won today being more aggressive than they did trying to sit back and hold a lane and let somebody screw up and run through their gun,
And
right?
delaying the inevitable.
Yeah, so
Some of you don't like to talk at all on the field. That's a problem.
So done for the day. Tomorrow, same time. We're warming up at 9 a.m. sharp. So